Store-bought dough rolled up with diced apples, chopped nuts, sugar, spices, baked into individual buns, finished with a drizzle glaze. You're gonna love this baked good recipe. It's our quick and easy apple cinnamon buns. Okay friends, do not even think of pulling out your stand mixer. No need. We are not making a dough from scratch. Instead, pizza dough gets used, rolled up with sugar and spices and apples and nuts. Wait until you see this. Better still, you can enjoy this for breakfast, brunch, take to school, afternoon snack, or a late night nosh. Watch this. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees. Next, 3 apples, they're peeled, and I'm dicing them into smallish chunks. About 2 cups is the quantity. Transfer the apples to a medium bowl. We're going to add a squeeze of lemon and toss. Optional, if you're feeling nutty, chop up maybe a cup of your favorite variety. I suggest walnuts or pecans. If using them, chop them up, then set them to the side. Now to stovetop medium skillet, add 6 tablespoons of butter, half a cup dark brown sugar packed, 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, a teaspoon vanilla extract, half a teaspoon kosher salt. Stir everything together. We're gonna cook over moderate heat. It's gonna melt and then get all bubbly. When it is bubbly, we're gonna add those apples, toss them in the pan. We're gonna cook for about 5 minutes until they get soft. Like I said, the game changer on this recipe is using pizza dough. So easy to work with. 1 package of pizza dough, that's about 560 grams, about 1 1/4 pounds. We're gonna roll it out on a floured surface. You can flour the dough, flour your pan, and then you're gonna roll it out into a large rectangle. Push all that excess air out of the dough. Now we're going to that sugar and spiced apple mixture, but check out how I'm lifting the apples out of the sauce. We're gonna go for an even distribution across the surface of the dough. Once it's all laid out, let's add a sprinkle of the chopped nuts if you're using them. Now, like a jelly roll, we roll it up. I like to roll it all the way to the end and then lift the dough up to meet the top of the roll. You can kind of coax the insides out to a nice even roll. We're gonna take a sharp knife and cut the roll into 12. Hooray, 12 apple cinnamon buns are on the way. We're gonna transfer them over to a parchment-lined baking sheet. Then we're gonna add a clean dish towel to the top and transfer it to a warm location to proof for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, you can see the cinnamon buns have plumped up. Now we transfer the cinnamon buns to the oven. We're gonna bake for 15 minutes. While they're in the oven, remember the skillet with the excess butter sugar mixture? Place it onto the stove to warm it up a little bit. Now, when the buns are done, they come out of the oven. They are gorgeous and golden, and they smell really good. Grab a spoon, you're gonna do a little drizzle of that brown sugar mixture over each bun, then leave them to cool for 15 minutes. While they're cooling, we're gonna do a little drizzle for the top. I have a bowl with 2½ cups of confectioner's sugar, that's icing sugar. In there as well are 2 tablespoons of butter. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Then do 2 tablespoons of whole milk. Hand mixer running on low to blend everything together. Add a tiny bit more milk just to get the glaze to a consistency you're feeling comfortable to work with. When it's done, you're gonna transfer to a piping bag, cut off the very end, and then you're ready to zigzag the glaze over each and every cinnamon bun. And if you think that looks good, wait until you try them. Quick, easy, and wonderfully delicious too. Good news. full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. Don't forget to drop us comments and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. And then when cinnamon buns are this sensational, take a picture of them, post them on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendatthecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. It's our incredibly scrumptious and quick and easy apple cinnamon buns. Okay, remember how I said you can have them for breakfast or brunch, take them to work, have them for a snack, late night nosh? They work all the time and they disappear pretty quick. Watch when I pluck this open. Oh, the dough is so tender. That cinnamon sugar butter is coating everything, and then you've got the apples and the nuts, that glaze on top. Spectacular. I know you're gonna enjoy, so you better make them soon and share them with your friends. Enjoy. So good.